This Getting Started video provides an overview to the navigation of this course, just so that you can understand what is required and where you should go to look to find all of the pertinent information that you'll need. So hopefully you're viewing this before you jump into the Getting Started module, and also before you get into the Learning modules. The Learning modules are your key to this class. Along with the syllabus, they will provide the work for each individual unit that you will need to complete. So at the beginning of each unit, and this does include Unit 1, even though it's an oddball in many other respects, as is mentioned elsewhere, at the beginning of each unit you will see an introduction to what we will be doing in that unit, as well as a list of the assignments that you will complete. So use that list as a checklist to make sure that you have completed everything for each unit. Also, please note the due dates for individual items. Everything in Unit 1 is due on the same date. This coming Sunday, if you're viewing this at the beginning of the semester, which hopefully you are, this coming Sunday, May 22nd by 11:59 p.m. Starting with Unit 2, please note that the reading tweets will always be due by the first Sunday of the unit, each unit being 2 weeks, units 2 through 6. Then during the second week of the unit, you will need to complete your question for the discussion board and your reading worksheets by that second Wednesday. And then everything else will be due on the second Sunday. So your response on the discussion board, your 2 responses, and also your journal entries. So hopefully that just gives a nice overview of when you'll need to complete everything, help you notice that there are different due dates for everything. Also, please note that the final project is due on a Thursday, so that's different. It's because I need to have a little time to be able to calculate grades and get them in before the next semester starts, the fall semester begins. So we will be ending this unit on Thursday, still at 11:59 p.m., August 4th. At that time, your final project and your essay on the Partnoy book are both due. Just as a kind of key to the course, use the learning modules as your guide always to make sure that you are getting everything done on time and that you're completing all required assignments. Also keep the syllabus close at hand because there are links to all of the assignment instructions there, and the assignment instructions are also embedded throughout the course content section of our menu in Blackboard. But the syllabus is that central location for all of that. Of course, as you work on the learning modules, you'll read the introduction, you'll see what is coming over the next 2 weeks, but then you'll leave that and you'll go to do your work. You'll go to do the reading, you'll go to Twitter, and so on. So, it might make more sense to come back to the reading worksheets tab, for example, to complete a worksheet for any given unit because you've been doing your work away from the learning module. Again, just saying everything's in the learning module, but it's also in the course menu. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully that's helpful. I look forward to studying Latin American history with you this summer, and please ask questions whenever you have them.